Good morning, friends, all of you. And today we will discuss about how to book SAP certification exam or how to become a SAP certified consultant. So the end-to-end process today I will try to discuss. And so many members asked me regarding this question, especially so who are trying to get job in SAP. And before that, even some members have some queries whether certification is required or not. So, as a certified consultant, my suggestion is if you want to get good opportunities, especially we know, right? So, basically, so in IT, we have two types of companies like service based company and product based companies. And where it comes to product based companies, most of the product based companies they preferred the certified consultants only. So, as per my suggestion as a certified consultant, so if you want to get good opportunities or if you want to boost up your career into SAP, so I recommended to do make certification as early as possible. And the second point is if the certification is mandatory, then the answer is no. So certification is not a mandatory. So the knowledge at the same time the knowledge regarding the process and the real time working environment, like how you are working in different types of projects like implementation or support or enhancement or testing, and within that what are the roles and responsibilities of each and different teams. See, so basically I want to explain one more point also here. So many consultants still they are get full confused because of this one. See, for example, if you are working in a implementation project, so it means in implementation project you have to do only configuration. No, so that is not correct. So, and one more point is your roles and responsibilities is not completely depend upon your project. So it depends upon your team. For example, in implementation project, we have different teams like the business team or design team, build and configuration team, testing team, data migration team, MDG team. So we have different teams in a implementation project also. So according to that, if you are belonging to which team, so based on that only your roles and responsibilities will be differ. For example, if you are belonging design team, then your roles and responsibilities is different. So design, build and configuration, testing, MDG, data migration. So these are all teams comes under implementation project only. But the thing is where it comes to roles and responsibilities, so depends upon your team, your roles and responsibilities will be differ. So that is very clear. And today I will show you how to book SAP certification exam end-to-end process. And regarding this one, if you have any queries or any doubts, or if you want to get it any help regarding this one, yes, please contact this my number, and as well as in WhatsApp also you can contact, and I will maximum I will try to help you. Okay. So basically, this process, first of all, I will be classified into four things. So the step one is basically we need to registration registered with SAP Training Hub, and the steps two we have to purchase the SAP exam subscription. So here we have two options, whether you want to purchase one subscription or whether you want to purchase six subscriptions, six attempts. So depends upon wish. So and the fees, the amount is also vary. If you want to purchase one attempt, the fee will be 20,000 around. So including taxes. Where it comes to six attempts, so the fees will be 50,000 including tax. And then once you purchase this subscription, later you need to book your exam. So based on your availability, based on your time, those are all things. And even what exam you have to perform here, the very important thing is the exam code. So SAP each and every certification exam we have exam code. So based on that we need to booking that the exam. So today I will show you also in front of you. I will book one more exam for me. I will show you that complete process. And the fourth step is once your exam is done, once your exam booking is done, later you need to attend the examination. So once it is done, your badge will be received after 1 hour or 2 hours. So this is the complete process regarding to the SAP certification booking process, or SAP how to become a SAP certified consultant. So this is the complete process. So we can go through one by one point. So first of all, we can go to this one. Step 1, SAP Training Hub registration. So for this one, simply you can go to Google and search here SAP Certification Hub. So if you type this one, so here you can get it the links regarding this one. So out of that, please go through this link, training.sap.com. So here I will mention training.sap.com. So please go to this link, and if you click this one, so yeah, so this is the thing. So we are getting. So in this one, first of all, you need to register yourself. So this is the registration. So already I registered this one. So that's the reason my email ID triggered here. But you are newly registered with this certification. So please go through this register, click this registration, and here you need to fill your first name or the last name, and email ID is very, very important. So here I will maintain my email ID. Okay. And here you need to give your phone number also. 61. So here you have to set your password. Okay. So here I will maintain my password. Password must be between 8 and 255 characters long. And here one uppercase letter is needed, one lowercase letter is needed, one number, one symbol. So you have to you have to set your password with the combination of these four credentials. So I will maintain my password with those four credentials only. Okay. And click on register. Yeah. Enter a valid telephone number using only brackets. So sorry. So I did wrong. So here phone number, this is not USA, right? So this is to India. So yeah, India. So now the phone number is good. So otherwise I will put one more time. 819161. Yes. So here I will enter my password one more time. Okay. So now click on register. We're unable to validate our captcha protection. Okay. So we need to prepare captcha also in below. No problem. So the system throwing error, this one regarding this one, we need to maintain this captcha HGQU. All are capital letters. So it is verified successfully. So then I will click on register. Okay. So here you can see, so you will get this one, like thank you for registering with SAP Training Shop. An email with a link to activate your account has been sent to this mail ID. Okay. And here you need, if you go to this email ID, you need to link, you get one link. So within that link, you need to activate your account. But I think I will forget this password. Okay, I will try to show you that one also. Okay. Yes. What is our mail ID? Krishna CA1 @gmail.com. And yes. So here I will log into my account. Yes. Yeah. So here, if I go to my mail ID, so here you can see, so activate your account for SAP training shop. So this is my user ID. So this is also very, very important. So the user ID is nothing but while we are registering with SAP, so every user, so the SAP will provide one user ID. So here you need to click here to activate your account. If I click this one, so my account is successfully activated. Okay. So this is the step one. You need to register first of all with your mail ID with SAP Training Hub. This is the first step. So once it is done, so later we can move to the second step. You have to purchase SAP exam subscription. So those one also I will show you. If I go to continue, yeah. So here you can take this mark, see additional information. Yes, 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 yes. This just user acceptances and all. So just you can click on SSS, save it. Yeah. So now you can go to this tab. So here we have the tabs like this: SAP certification, buy a one exam attempt subscription, buy a 6 attempt subscription, and list of valid certifications, and validate your certification and stay current. So here the thing is, if you want to buy one exam attempt, so it means, for example, if you buy this one, so you have only one attempt to clear your certification. So regarding that one, so this is the thing. So here the amount will be 17,544. This is the exclude tax, but if the tax is included, it's around 19,000 to 20,000. And this subscription is valid 12 months. So it means once you purchased this one, so within 12 months, at any time you can give your examination. So the validity will be 12 months. And the very, very important thing is you have only one attempt. So it means within one attempt, you can clear your certification. Okay. So then how I will purchase? If I click on add to wish list. Okay. And so view my wish list. Yes. And click on add to basket. Yes. So next here, think we can purchase only one, right? Yes, I will remove the second one. Yeah. So this is also campaign code. If you have any campaign code, like if your company is provided any campaign code and all, you can maintain here and click on apply. But right now we don't have any campaign code and process to checkout. If you click this one, so here the system is asking. So here you can see the price is exactly 20,701 per one attempt. So here you can give your all details, whatsoever details, your billing address, street, these are all things. Okay. So if you give your details and all and click on save, and the process will be payment method. So here You can pay through your debit card or credit card or whatever it is. So if it is done, so later you are eligible to book your exam. So here right now I don't want to make any payments and all. Already I did my payment earlier. So I will show you those things also. And this is the one attempt. So if you want to go with two attempts, so if you want to buy 6 attempt subscription, I will show you the price list also. Here excluded tax 43,860, but when the tax is included, it's nearly 49,900 something is there. I will show you that amount also. Yeah, I will remove this one. Yeah. So here, if you go to proceed to checkout, yeah, here you can see the price will be 51,754. So for this is for 6 attempts. Okay. So then what is the difference between one attempt and 6 attempt? So simple. So if you want to attend, if you purchase this one, you can attend your exams up to 6 attempts. And one more thing is, for example, you are the finance guy and you completed your finance certification within one attempt and you purchased 6 attempts subscription. So it means you have remaining 5 attempts, right? So within that 5 attempts, if you want to write any exam like central finance or treasury or controlling or activate a project manager or sales or or whatever it is, so if you want to attempt any one more exam, so you can write and you can get it, you can clear your certification also. So that is the advantage to purchase these 6 attempts, and you have full confidence, and that too you need only one certification. So this is also enough. So based on your wish and based on your certification needed, so you can buy these subscriptions, one attempt or 6 attempts. So this is the second step process. Okay, in second step, just we are skipping these details. This is very easy things. Just you can click on I am self-employed, and here you can maintain your phone number, street name, and once you give all these details, later the payment will be processed, and once you give your debit card or credit card or whatever it is, the payment is done. So this is the process we need to do in second step. So this is the second step, purchase SAP exam subscription. So now I will log out this session. Yeah. So then exam booking. So once we purchased any subscription, either it is one attempt or 6 attempts, next you are eligible to book your SAP exam. So then I will show you how to book exam booking and all. So here I will log in with my mail ID. So here I will give my password and all. What is this? Sorry, you could not authenticate you. Okay, no problem. Here, yes. So I log in through my mail ID. So here, once you log in, so go to this one, access purchased subscription. So if you go to this one, please click this one, access purchased subscription. And if you click that one, so here you can see this is my subscription. So only one day is left. So actually I purchased this 6 attempt subscription 2022 June. So now the end date is come. So one day only it is allowed. So then click on access the certification hub. If you click that one, so later we can get it this dialog boxes and all this page. And here you have option exam dashboard and exam appointments. So already you booked any exams and all. So here the system is disclosing those exam appointments and all. So we can see, is there any exam appointments in my subscription? Yeah, this is all my exam previous online exam appointments. And now I will click on exam dashboard. So within that exam dashboard, so here you can see I have only one attempt is remaining. So it means already I used 5 attempts and I completed these certifications. And here you can see, so this is my certification list. So this one is sales upskilling, and this is central finance 2021 and treasury 2021. And this is the certified professional finance So I think, yeah. Is it clear now? My voice is clear? Hello?
Oh, okay.
Is it clear now?
It is clear.
Okay. So later here I need to book my exam. So here list of exams and all. And one more thing, if you complete any of these exams, it is in tick mark. So it means already I completed this certification and this certification and all. So today I want to book one exam. So that is activate project manager. So here I will search all this here, even so sales also I completed yesterday. And this is my uh, highest certification, especially this is the professional certification. So actually in SAP, we have two types of certifications. One is associate level and the second one is professional level. So then what is the difference between associate and professional? Associate is nothing but the freshers who learn SAP recently or who have experience like 1 year, 2 years or less than 3 years. Those are all persons preferred the associate level examination. And if you have good experience like more than 5 years, 6 years, so then you can choose the professional exams also. But the thing is, the questions will be differ. So if you go with associate, the questions will be easy, and if you go to professional level, the questions will be little bit tricky, or some questions will be tough also. Okay. So today I will book one more exam. Yeah. So this exam I want to book for today. So this is my code ACT underscore 23. This is the SAP Activate for Cloud Solutions Project Manager. So if you click this one, so and again here it is showing exam languages. So this exam available in only English. But if you click this one, so here exams will be 3 languages. Likewise, depends upon the code and depends upon the exam, the languages also you can choose, especially the foreigners who are in Germany, or here you can see basically we have three languages: English, German, and Spanish. So anyone wants to write exam in German, yes, they can choose German also. Or anyone wants to write exam in Spanish language, so Spanish also they can choose. But right now I will be selecting English in my exam and click this one, schedule new appointment. And here you can select your time zone. For India, so we need to select Asia, Kolkata. So this one we need to select the time zone for India. And here the exam date will be today only. And here I will be booking this exam. My God. Okay. I will be booking it 3:30. Okay. So then click on save appointment. Okay. So if you book your examination, so this icon will be uh, displayed here in this place. And if you go to here, exam appointments also, it is showing your recent exam appointments. So already I booked one exam, right? So here we can see whether my exam appointment is properly booked or not. And here you can see, so my certification exam is I maintained. So here, this is the today 3:30 we need to start the exam. So then the question is how to attempt the exam. So here I will maintain step 4, how to attend exam. Okay. Uh, step 4, step 5, I will be maintain required documents to attend exam. Okay. Yeah. So now here we can discuss how to attend exam. So once you booked any exam, so if, for example, I booked for this time, right? Today 3:30, right? So before 15 minutes, so you can start your exam. Like, so 3:15 we can log in this page, same as is, and come here exam appointments, and here start exam. Here you can get launch exam. So the server, the point will be launch exam. So one more option here executed before 15 minutes of your exam time. So if you click this one launch exam, so automatically the SAP will move to next page. So within that next page, your exam will be started. But the thing is, while we are attending any exam, so you need to carry two documents, two original IDs, two original IDs, whether it is PAN card, Aadhaar card, um, driving license, driving license, and one more thing is your passport. Passport. So out of these four identity cards, you can carry any two original IDs, not duplicate IDs. Even the scanned IDs is also not allowed. You have to carry your two original IDs out of these four. Okay, only these four: PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license, or passport. Okay, even out of these four, like ration card or the voter ID card, those are all cards are not accepted. Even the credit card, those are all not accepted. So you have to carry your any original two IDs, not one ID. Two IDs mandatorily you need to carry with your exam. And this exam we have some conditions, like in our room, if you even this exam you can attend from your home also or from your office also, but we here we have some conditions. So that conditions is usually, so you have to attend your exam in a closed room. So in that closed room, there is no articles which is regarding to any SAP books, not only SAP, any books or any other articles or any newspapers, those are all not entertained. And you have to lock your room also. And you don't carry to your smartphones, or you don't carry your smart watches or any electrical gadgets. That is not allowed except your laptop and all. And some more conditions, like while you are writing, even the examiner will ask you, so please show your entire room and the desk. These are all things also they are asking. So at the time you need to show your entire room and desk. And in desk also, no any other papers or newspapers or any materials or any books, those are all not entertained. So once it is done, later you can write your exam. Okay. So once you complete your exam, later, once you, for example, this is also some examinations, we have 80 questions, and some examinations we have 40 questions. So depends upon your examination code. So the questions will be there in examination. Some examinations it is 80 questions, and some exams it is 40 questions. So here, so 80 questions, the time will be 3 hours. And here the 40 questions, the time will be 90 minutes. It means 1.5 hour. And here the questions will be completely MCQ. So you don't worry. So there is no written questions and all. So completely this is MCQs only. And the answers will be usually 4 or 5 MCQs. But the thing is, some questions you have two correct answers or three correct answers like this. But in questions they mentioned clearly, for this question you have to correct two answers, three answers like this. Okay, so likewise the examination will be there. So once it is done, once you completed your examination, once you submit, the results will be announced immediately. There is no delay. So this is also very curiosity question. So once I attended the exam, when I can get the results? So your results will be appeared immediately. So there is no delay. Once you submitted your examination, so your results will be appeared immediately. And the pass percentage is also different. So some examinations, the pass percentage will be 64%, and some examinations, the pass percentage will be 68%. It depends upon the your examination code and all. The pass percentage will be vary. Okay, and there is no negative marking, negative marks. This is also best advantage. There is no negative marks. Okay. So once you did your examination, once you successfully completed your examination, and the final step will be badge received. So once you exam is completed, so after 2 hours, 3 hours, you will receive your badge into your mail ID. Okay. So I will show you how to receive badge. Yeah. So here, so I'm getting mail regarding my appointment. So just now we booked our one exam, right? So this is one exam, and here you can see. So in this one, it is clearly mentioned: signed government issued passport, driving license, a military ID card, or bank or credit card. But usually they want PAN card or Aadhaar card. Those are all things. Okay, here they will provide the standard rules. You must alone in the room, and you have a clear desk and workspace. Your computer must be connected to a power source. You are not allowed to use your phone or smartwatch during the exam. You are not allowed to use more than one monitor during the exam, and you will be required to perform 360 degree room and desk pan using your webcam. So this is also very very important while we are writing exam. So we need to on our webcam, laptop webcam. and you must remain within clear view throughout the exam. So your webcam, speaker, screenshots, those are all things. And one more thing, we need to share our screen also. So these are all the conditions. And once you successfully completed your examinations, so later you received the mail like this after 1 hour or after 30 minutes or after 2 hours maximum. And this is my earlier certification what I completed. And if you go to here credit, if you click that one, and here it is showing my badges. Okay, so this is the badge. So this one, so yesterday, I think yesterday I completed this one. Okay, and for example, you completed your 3 exams or 4 certifications, those are all things. Those are all things also you can see here. Go to badges. If you go to here, your complete certification badges will be displayed in this place. So this is like SAP S4HANA sales upskilling. This is central finance, and this is treasury, and this is certified professional expert. This is my 4 badges. So earlier I completed my 4 certifications. So like this, you can see your badge. And one more point, for example, if you want to share your badge to someone, just you can copy this link and you can paste, you can send through mail or whatever it is, you can send through mail also. And here you can see this badge will be disclosed like this. And here it is showing this badge was issued to my name, and this is expires up to May 24, 2028. This is also very, very important. The latest announcement, the not latest, last 1 year back, the SAP announced this one. Earlier, what happened? The SAP certification validity will be lifelong, but in 2022, from May onwards, exactly. So the batch, the certification validity will be only 5 years only, whether it is associated certification or whether it is professional certification. So the validity will be only 5 years only. So I will show you the professional certification validity also. Here you can see expires in 2027. So this is the complete process regarding SAP certification booking process. I hope you will understand the complete process. Still, if you have any doubts regarding this SAP certifications, or do you need any help to complete your SAP certification regarding materials or trainings or whatever it is, please contact this number. This is my number, and as well as WhatsApp number also. Please contact this number. Okay. So that's it from my end, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.